On the 31st of December 2022, the armed forces of the Russian Federation launched a strike by high-precision, long-range air-based armament at the defense industrial facilities of Ukraine, involved in producing assault unmanned aerial vehicles designed for committing terrorist attacks against the Russian Federation. The parking ramps and launch sites of the assault unmanned aerial vehicles have also been neutralized. The goal of the attack has been reached. The Kiev regime's plans to commit terrorist attacks against the Russian Federation in the nearest future have been frustrated. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupyansk direction, the Russian forces have neutralized the units of the armed forces of Ukraine near Kotlyarovka, Ivanovka, Podoly, Pershotravnevoye in Kharkov region, and Novosyolovskoye in Lugansk People's Republic. Over 40 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and 1 pickup have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, artillery attack has resulted in the neutralization of 5 company tactical groups from the 92nd Mechanized and the 95th Airborne Assault Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, as well as from the 111th Territorial Defense Brigade near Rozovka, Stelmachovka in Lugansk People's Republic, and Serebryanskoye Forestry. The enemy has lost over 150 Ukrainian personnel, 1 armored personnel carrier, and 2 pickups. In the Donetsk direction, Russian troops continue their offensive. Fire attacks and intensive action of Russian units have resulted in the elimination of over 110 Ukrainian personnel, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 5 armored fighting vehicles and 7 motor vehicles. In the South Donetsk direction, Ukrainian units made unsuccessful attempts to launch a counterattack near Dorozhnyanka in Zaporozhye region in order to regain the lost positions. Artillery strikes and actions of the Russian forces have resulted in repelling of all the counterattacks. Over 50 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Moreover, 6 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups that had operated towards Novoandreevka, Dorozhnyanka in Zaporozhye region, Nikolskoye, Neskuchnoye and Novomykhailovka of Donetsk People's Republic have been eliminated. Missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have neutralized 68 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment at 102 areas. 1 mobile aerospace observation radar of the Ukrainian armed forces has been destroyed near Kamyshevacha in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Artyomovsk of Donetsk People's Republic. 1 Ukrainian artillery ordnance depot has been destroyed near Mirnoye in Zaporozhye region. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 Polish-manufactured Krab self-propelled howitzers that had been used for shelling residential areas of the Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed at their firing positions near Ivanovka and Ivanovka of Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 2 Ukrainian D-20 howitzers have been destroyed near Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force near Poltavka of Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have destroyed 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Maximovka, Nikolaevka, Nikolskoye, Metallist, Zeleny Gai, Slavnoye of Donetsk People's Republic, Ploshanka of Lugansk People's Republic, Tsapovka in Belgorod region, Ocheretavatoye in Zaporozhye region, Ochakov in Nikolaev region, Liman II in Kharkov region, and Jankoy in Republic of the Crimea. Moreover, 7 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS MLRS have been intercepted near Popasnaya, Makeivka and Popovka of Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 355 airplanes and 199 helicopters, 2,779 unmanned aerial vehicles, 399 air defense missile systems, 7,350 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 957 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,756 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,859 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.